In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I will demonstrate how to configure attendance in your course. So we first go to our course page and go into Edit Mode by clicking on the Edit Mode on the top right. Next, we go to the top of the course and then click on Add an Activity or a Resource and then select Attendance. Give it a name. Either call it attendance or class attendance, and then scroll down here under grade. By default, the system will assign a grade to the attendance activity for the course. In most cases, you don't associate it with a grade, and you click here on type and select none. Then click on save and display. Now, we need to specify when your class meets so that the system can create the times that you will take attendance for this course. So we get to this screen either by clicking on the save and display like we did a moment ago, or if we are in the main course page, we click class attendance. Click on add a session, and then we specify when the class starts and then what time the class starts. Notice it's military time. Then for the description, put class attendance or regular class. Repeat the sessions, let's say every Monday, every Wednesday, and Friday, every week until the 9th of December. So again, we enter the date, the time when the class meets, we give it a description, and then we repeat those times and we specify that the days of the week when the class will take place. It takes place once a week on these particular days, and then repeat it until December 9. Then click on Add. The system created all the instances for the rest of the semester. Now let's say that sometime in October there's going to be the fall break. Let's say from 10-11 here, 10-14. In these cases we can delete those two instances, and then we are set for the whole duration of the semester. To configure the attendance, we enter the attendance activity only once in the course. And then once we enter the attendance activity once in the course, then we specify when the class meets